minus 30, that is 15, 15, 15.
30 is up.
Clear? Chala. So think a while, tomorrow we'll discuss again, no problem. 10 is 30 divided by 3? Acha.
So my depreciation will be 30 rupees, 20 plus 10.
30 is 1 year overalling. Balance remaining 90. 90 is divided by 6 is 15.
Plus
10, 10, 10 plus 15, 15, 15. Acha. Fourth year, what you spent? Say 45 rupees. So 15, 15, 15 plus 15, 15, 15. Acha.
Basically, out of 120, 30 has a useful life of only 3 years.
Yes.
That is what he's trying to say.
Your depreciation is much more than 20 rupees a year. Acha. If you see this income tax standard, you will see the tremendous emphasis given on certain standard. One of this is PPE. I hope PPE is covered, I hope. Huh?
Then we reverse the cost of 30 rupees at the end of 3 years and then add 45.
No. That is depreciated.
Next 3 years
So-
45 divided by 3.
Regard, yes?
Next 3 years again 45 divided by
23 and 15 for 6 years. Acha. Now, certain, yes. I can't hear. But you come in front, there is some room here, please. Wasting time.
Ajay, can I ask you one thing?
Yes, please.
We are talking of component depreciation yesterday also. we
Assumption
did
for
the
each and
class.
every component should be given in the
Pardon?
assumptions, all these assumptions, whatever we are assuming, has to be given in the disclosure for each and every component.
I am taking just examples. I am not teaching you PP. I am taking the deferred tax effects of all this. This I cannot discuss because taken by some other professor, you see, some other trainer. So I cannot discuss all this. I am showing because this is such a standard, it can poke its nose everywhere. If you see in this 12, which is application, mainly you see PPE, borrowing cost, business combinations, share-based payments. You see what is there in this 20 standard what covering. I just discuss that only. Because it's a huge thing for consolidation. It's very complicated. Now, in PPE, main thing is that when you start something, as I told you, TP for started probably, that is on OCI, the first thing is the revaluation of PP. So they told you what? That when you make a revaluation, there will be 6 adjustments. Do you recall? What are those 6 adjustments? See this. If you can't see, please occupy front seats. There are some room still. Don't tell I cannot see it. You can occupy the seats here. There are 6 treatments just for one simple revaluation of a PPE. Revaluation means other comprehensive income and other comprehensive, I told you, it is always net of tax. Remember this. It has to be net of tax. So just one simple revaluation will have 6 effects on the financial statements. See the example, anything not clear you tell me. Then I'll ask you one question. Point number 2. What is that?
OCI.
There is a surplus created, 6,000.
15,000 becomes 21,000 pass the journal entry. PP debit 6,000 to reversion surplus net of tax and deferred tax liability.
What is CIE?
Changes in equity.
Statement in changes in equity. I told you anything appearing in statement of changes in equity, I mean OCI, will go to statement of changes in equity. Remember this, anything appearing OCI which has to be net of income taxes will find a place in statement changes in equity. If you say yes, I have understood, I have a small question to ask. To check up whether I am able to make you understood or not. একটু চা খাওয়ানো যাবে না না গরিব মানুষকে যাবে সারা পিতা পিতা নেই সারা পি নেই পিতা Yes, clear? Can I ask you one question? This you have, if understood, yes, that day one problem was given. That's in PP, that's to see this. One asset will have so many accounts, imagine.
Sir, this is there in the PPT,
Which PPT?
which you have shared.
No, because he has not taken PP, no. Has PP been
I have
covered?
not taken PP.
Has PP?
I have not.
No, sir. You won't get it.
Sir, I tell you, if you have the desire to learn, we can share. Telephone me, you send an email, we can share, no problem.
Last one, transfer from RX to retained earnings.
See this. Acha, can I sit down because for the last time? This is working? Working now? Is it working? Can you hear me? Okay, they can. Yes, sir, what is the question? हाँ सर देखिए एक बात सुनिए फर्स्ट लिसन टू मी प्लीज revaluation must or should take place either at the end of the reporting period or at the beginning of the reporting period. I have not come across any IFRS financial statements where revaluation takes place during the course of the reporting period. That is inviting more trouble than all unnecessary. This is my internal adjustment, nothing to do with outside world. Okay. Second thing is, just by revaluing one asset, it has no income tax implication. When I revalue an asset, it has neither it can affect my accounting profit, nor it can affect my taxable profit. Just by making revaluation, I cannot make any profit. First thing, if you say that you have understood this before I go ahead and clarify your points, my question is, this example is in front of you, you can see this. My question is, could you please tell me that revaluation takes place when? It is at the beginning of the year or the end of the year?
Normally we value at the end of the year.
No, it's middle. Somebody is saying beginning, somebody, and I take it as middle of the year. From here I cannot make out. First thing you remember, if the revaluation takes place at the end of the year, we need to pass all 6 entries. If it is, what I said, if it is at the beginning of the year, you need to pass all 6 entries. If it is at the end of the year, first 3 in this year, second 3 in subsequent years. I repeat, at the beginning of the year, all 6 adjustments. At the end of the year, only first 3 adjustments. Okay?
Right.
And next year, remaining 3 adjustments. Now, sir, yes, please.
Sir, can we explain that 6th one, CIA?
I will. You see, as I told you, has he taken classes? This Origin?
Yes. Yesterday.
Origin is my direct student. He's a very good speaker.
Yes.
I really appreciate. So Origin told me one thing, sir. One thing you told me in the year 1997 in the classroom. I taught him in St. James College. That is really paying me dividends, and you told me that more than accountants, you try to learn what is called accounting theory, the philosophy of accounting. First thing you see here, I revalue one asset. 15,000 rupees I am making how much?
21,000.
21. What is my benefit?
3,000.
Why should I? Why should I? My assets and liabilities increase by the same amount. Why should I? What is my problem? That I have one extra depreciation. Yes or no?
Yes.
I have one. How much? How much?
1,000 rupees per year.
1,000 per year. By what amount my profit is decreased?
1,000.
700. I told you. Sir, ek baat always you keep it in mind. If I earn 100 rupees, tax rate 40%, my income is 60 rupees. If I spend 100 rupees, tax rate 40%, my actual thing is this. If I pay 10% debentures, income tax at 50%, my effective cost is 50%. So here my profit reduced by how much?
700.
700. It has a direct effect on what? EPS. Okay? Same amount I transfer from reserve to retained earnings. Because retained earning getting less by how much? 700. Same I make the adjustment here. This is called no reclassification. It is just transfer from one equity to another. If the same amount I would take through PL, then that would call reclassification adjustment. That example given to you. So I need to maintain, I have to see now what they say. How much to be transferred to retained earnings? The difference between cost under evaluation method and the cost under cost method. What is the difference? Difference of
Depreciation difference 1,000.
1,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Net of tax is 700. So my profit is decreased by 700. Retained earning increased by 700. What does it mean? Why I do this? Unnecessarily cannot tell me.
I need to reduce my revaluation reserve.
This is called financial capital maintenance. I am using one asset, suppose. This asset is cash flow, I get 1,000 rupees. Somebody wants to buy it for 5,000 rupees. What I will do? I'll sell it. So here, what are the value I record may not be the true value. I told you, one company entered, I saw net worth 39 crores. Land valuation more than 20,000 crores. In Mumbai, one company, you just get the airport, tell him I go to that building. I don't want to mention the name of that company. He will take, you will not ask. Annie Besant Road. They pay more than 300 crores interest per year. And they were about to borrow about 5,000 crores.
for one cement factory. I told them you don't need. The building you can occupy not even 20%. Sell this building. What is happening tomorrow you don't know. Today you are very good seller product. Tomorrow people may not buy your thing. You do not know. Your performance depends on what your competitors are doing. Simple thing. Somebody was telling me, आजकल तो भात रोटी गरीब ना खाए, है मतलब? I get the pizza, ये वो all these things. Yes. क्या खिलाता था मारवाड़ी शादी में? एक तो कचौड़ी, एक तो काजू, एक तो ठंडा लेके चला गया. 100-200 people separately साजन गोट. आज के 500 आइटम. More is less. Anything you don't take without, this could have been better. One student came to me, sir, please have kulfi I had. Sir, एकदम दूध एकदम गरम. Yeah, अभी हम kulfi पिया अभी क्या गरम दूध. So like this. This is purely application of physical capital management. My asset is what more than what I charge. I see my capabilities. What I will do this business? Why I am in business? If I get from the bank बोलता है 25%. Business करेगा हम. First thing is again I am telling you. Ultimate, you know better, 1,000 times better than me. You are in real practice. Ultimate accountancy is consolidation. What you are talking, all separate financial statement. Our next session, I mean after this, they will definitely start up on this. Ultimate thing is consolidation, and there you have to apply this concept.
So these last 3 entries will be passed every year.
Yes. And you see this deferred tax effect? You see my website? There are so many problems given there.
Sir, for consolidation.
These deferred tax liability, remember, this is not adjusted against this. This is your own internal adjustment. Remember this. Profit and loss, you pay less income tax as per your calculation. This is all just book adjustments.
Sir, for consolidation, each standalone you have to give the separate entries, or after consolidation only this entries are paid?
First of all, for each and every asset you have to see there is how does it differ from the fair value. 10 rupees taken for 12, 10 rupees taken for 8. There are two possibilities. What are the two more possibilities? Asset not recorded there, you take it as an asset. They have spent tremendous amount of research and development, everything written off. But you think, no, it has a value of 5 crore rupees. You put it. Okay? Second possibility, there is one asset you don't consider it as an asset. Write it off. And most important thing, there is no contingent liability. Contingent liability will be, in fact, in your provision. Income tax is so dangerous, tell you. I recall one song, maybe 40 years, Tera picha na main chhodunga. Suppose you make one provision, you could make a provision, reduce your profit, that affects your accounting profit. You prepare one deferred tax asset account, fine. You record something as contingent liability. Here also you mention, if you have to pay that, what is the income tax effect? Because you have to pay 100 rupees, actually, how much you have to pay? You have to pay 60 rupees. Even there also you mention, suppose you write very virtually certain I will be getting contingent asset. I become very chatika, 1,000 rupees coming. What is the effect of that?
These have been mentioned.
Yes, it have to be disclosed.
It is covered in the
37. Any question, please?
Any other question? Last question?
No question.
We are fed up.
They are not fed up.
Only one question.
Yes, yes.
Saturday timing.
Saturday timing is 4:30.
Confirm by only.
Yes, yes. He will send Manas, senior manager there, and he has in-depth knowledge, so he will become. Sir, what's your name? What's your name?
Mr. Rajiv Roy.
Huh?
Rajiv Roy.
Rajiv Rai. So I would request you to please come forward and offer a memento on behalf of all of us to the learned speaker. Request everybody to put your hands together for Professor Dr. Amitabh Mukhopadhyay, please. Thank you everybody. It's your presence that is making this refresher course a great success. I would request those who have not joined to join this internal financial control seminar. It will be an excellent seminar. PR Ramesh has confirmed. Khusruji is coming.
Don't make it 4:30 because if you see who is not voting there, na, he has to sit in his office or somewhere else.
Sir, it's Saturday. I think for others also. Let us take some. It has been last 2 days. I have discussed. Nobody objected. I have already spoken. And Abhijit ji will also be going there. So we have already changed.
One thing I want to let you know.
Yes.
Selling of the books of the stairs in this state. You have to catch open. Otherwise, someone want to buy the books and then find this not in store even before the start of the session.
So thank you. Those who have not registered, they can still register. Thank you everybody.
So tomorrow here the class will be from 4:32.
Huh?
Here the class will be from 4:32.
Saturday, on Saturday, not tomorrow.
Sorry, Saturday.